Something.
Yes. When we put a big potatoes in the soil,
Yeah.
then it will make a lot of small
Okay.
potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
When we put a small potatoes, it will make a few big.
Few big. Okay. No, so it means when you put a big little big patatas under the soil, it will give a lot of small patatas.
Yeah.
If you will put a small patatas and then it will come a few
Big.
big. Oh, okay. So narinig nyo yun, guys. Yun ang sabi ng aking mahal na asawa. Ayan. Good weather po dito sa amin today. Ayan. Ang siguro, how many lines you are going to make it, honey?
First place 3.
Oh, 3 lines first for the patatas. Yes, this is the first line.